In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and adjust an object's origin in Blender. When working in Blender, especially for those new to 3D modeling, setting the origin of an object correctly is a crucial but sometimes overlooked step. The origin point is essentially the pivot or reference point around which transformations like scaling, rotating, and moving occur. Setting it appropriately can make your workflow much smoother and your models more precise. Let's dive into this. First, make sure you're in object mode. This is essential because some actions in Blender can only be performed in specific modes, and setting an origin is one of those actions that require you to be in object mode. To ensure you're in object mode, you can check the drop-down menu in the top left corner of your screen. It should display object mode. Once you've confirmed that, click on the object whose origin you want to set. With your object selected, navigate to the object menu located at the top of the window in the menu bar. This menu contains a wealth of options related to manipulating your selected object. Hover your cursor over the Set Origin option. Here you'll find several choices that determine where the origin point of your object will be set. Doing this allows you to tailor this point to better suit the specific needs of your project. For example, if you want the origin point to be in the center of your object, you might choose the Origin to Geometry option. This will move the origin to the center based on the geometry of your object, which is often helpful for symmetrical objects where a central axis is beneficial for rotations. Alternatively, if you have positioned the 3D cursor at a particular point in your scene and want the object's origin to align with that, you could select the Origin to 3D Cursor option. This choice is great for custom placements where aligning objects to specific scene features or other objects is required. Setting the origin accurately and understanding the difference between these options can significantly streamline your modeling process. It can also drastically reduce the frustration that might arise from unexpected transformations or misalignments. Remember, getting into the habit of setting your object's origin right at the beginning can save a lot of time and effort down the line. It's a small step that can have a big impact on the efficiency and outcome of your 3D projects. So there you have it. Just by selecting your object, navigating through the Object menu, and choosing the right option under Set Origin, you can manage your Blender projects with much more precision and ease. Thanks for joining me today, and happy modeling.